Liit na bahay-bahay yung window, yun. Han, I can live here, Han.
That's it. The clothes are still there, dirty. 2 months later, with the keys in the pocket.
Because you fold it like a brand new.
I don't want to hear you yelling.
You know how to straight. Oh my God.
I'm just telling you.
Hindi pa, ngayon, update sa nangyari sa asawa ko. Hindi pa siya.
Good morning, Philippines!
Ay, now it's afternoon na. Katatapos ko lang naligo. Kasi naglilinis ako sa bahay. Naglilinis sa buong bahay. Again. Hala, Dada's here. Dada's here. Hello, who's here? Maghintay yan sa ama niya. Nandun kasi sa CR. Naghihintay yan ay. Where's Dada? You get him. You get him. Look at yung ikog. Hala. Where is he? Hala. Wow! Where's Dada? Where is he? Get down. Where's Dada? Where is Dada? You go get him. You go. You go get him. I know he's in the CR. Go find him. Where is he? Ala, oy. Kauwi na lang yun, eh. Kauwi na lang yun ba? Let's go get him. Where is Dada? Are you gonna go get Dada? Kauwi na lang yun mo ba? Uwi man kay ka? Uwi kay ka? You go get him. Aduy. What is that?
I haven't had coffee yet today.
No coffee? You wake up early. Okay.
Water and shower.
Ngayon dito lang kami. Gusto ko nga mag-walk kaso parang ayaw ko. Parang ayaw ko muna. Kakain lang ako ng lunch. Kain tayo. Ha? Try a little bit. Try a little bit. Try it. And get something here if you want to get something.
She wants something.
No, it's not.
What is
I'm not even. Hi guys, tapos na akong kumain guys. Si Tami andun sa garage. Tignan natin kung anong mga ginagawa niya. Oh, over there is wet. Oh. Nandito kami guys sa maliit na bahay-bahay namin. Maliit na bahay-bahay yung window, yun. Han, I can live here, Han. Yeah, right here. Oh. Seems like the roofing is not good. It's rotten every edges, every. It's like every corner.
Yeah, the whole thing has got some issues.
How can you close this thing? Do not. Yun guys, andito kami guys. Yun yung bahay namin. Shade man ito para ilagay namin dito yung ano ba? Yung tawag nito. Yung lawnmower. We have this thing. I can use that for my garden thingy. The fancy. It seems like it's a mice.
Give me a little blower with a battery.
Okay, I'll get it. My door din dito ay. Si Sir Tami naglilinis. Another door here. Hala, it won't. Halahan. No, it's not. Hala, don't force it. Rusty. Yun. Hala, patay. Alis tayo. Daming abog. Maabog-abog. You wanna go out too? Ay, nako. Doon si Daddy, oh, sa payag, naghinlo-hinlo. Pero may problema yung shade na yan ba? Parang yung roof at yung ano niya, yung bubong, Parang hindi naayos ng mabuti, Rox. Okay, we're gonna transfer stuff over there, guys, and I will be right back. What Dali? I thought Dali is a woman. Huh?
It is.
And then why you call her Dali?
Tell us a dolly.
And the bug is excited every time we open this thing.
Oh man.
Are you gonna put that first before the lawnmower?
Yeah, you're gonna block the lawnmower and now you're your lawnmower out. Oh, the wheel is so small.
Oh, pull it. Oh my god. That's right here on the card.
I'll let you come here. Roll that.
What's your hand? Because it's
Yeah.
really sharp.
Yeah.
I just almost cut my Hold on. No.
Just push it up.
You cannot. Because the wheel. Done?
Yeah, so dolly 4.
I don't realize that that's useful. I thought that's stupid.
I'll put it back a little bit.
Huh? I have something here. That's it.
Yeah, just be careful, you don't walk into it.
I'm just gonna leave this here too. Okay, what? Guys, nalagay na ni Tami dito, guys. Ay, nako. Dito na lahat yung gamit. Pang garden. Malilinis ko na yung ano. Malilinis ko na yung garage namin. I mean, meron pa mga gamit doon, pero malilinis ko na kaunti. Oh, we need a cover for this. I'm gonna tell Tami. Han? We need to cover this because we don't know if it's raining and then it will do damage.
Nothing coming over there.
You sure?
Yeah, I can tell. You can see where it comes.
And then why is it wet down here?
Because from the front and soaks in.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Allah kadiya.
One of these missing.
That's on the floor.
Huh?
Rubber?
Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, we need to make a spare key. We know how you are with keys. I think I threw the key out of this already. I should have cleaned this off before I put it in here.
I'll clean it next week before I put it here. This guy right here accused me every time.
I accuse
Right
you.
there. Right
You're
there.
the one here. You're the one who moved the jar with the keys.
Listen to me.
You're the one who had my
But you did
pads.
it. Okay, stop it. You did it anyway.
I worked on the friggin' thing and then I had to go home and I changed my clothes. And that's it. The clothes are still there, dirty. 2 months later with the keys in the pocket.
Because you fold it like a brand new.
I didn't fold it like a brand. Oh, you kidding?
You take it off, put in the laundry basket, okay? You cannot just like fold it and file it.
Seriously?
At least it's not mixed with dirty.
Well, why would I put dirty clothes in there and then I'd be mixed with dirty?
You put that in the file on top. You pull it in the clean area over there.
In the clean area. What? I didn't put it on the floor?
No, you didn't. I admit if I do something wrong. But don't accuse me of stuff you did. And then you're looking somebody to blame. Okay? He
You gotta
made
go
me,
out and make spare keys.
he make me cry. It breaks my
Please.
heart.
Make you cry, nothing.
I always
She
cry.
make her
in
cry,
bed.
she yells. She don't cry, she yells.
I do cry this time. Han, you are so crazy. Look at the hambog niro mo lagi na akong baby. Na akong baby. Hambog niro mo lang
Hold
baby.
on, she said, you left me out here all by myself.
Hala, yes. We
Boy,
did.
I know you left me.
We did. Yes, nagbibigay na si Tamimoy, guys.
Cool. Okay.
Ha? Nagbibigay si Tamimoy, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Nawala yun, di ba? Nawala yung yawi, guys, sa lawnmower. Nawala. Ngayon, si Tami naghanap. Tami's looking around. And he went to the coat area, the jacket area, looking. Maybe nilagay ko sa loob. And then I follow him to tell him to stop because I don't really wear those things because I don't wear coat or jacket. So there is one light jacket that I wore one time. And I just put it on the top shelf. I said, oh, let's see that. I wear that one. I grab it. I thought it's not there, but I'm wishing it's there. And it's there. And I really think Tammy put it over there just to framing me.
I wasn't even here when you lost the damn key.
Yeah, but you went over there first to the closet.
How do you think I found the key while I was walking over to the closet.
Maybe because you were looking
You
before
stuck
any
to my
places.
foot. I was on the floor and stuck to
No,
my
you're
toe.
looking. You were looking different places first.
Well, if I found it someplace else, I could have said that and framed you. Why would I have to frame you?
What are you
Framing
doing?
is if I took it out of your pocket while you weren't looking.
No,
and
you
then said,
found-
where's the key?
You found it and then you hid it over
Either
there.
way, even if I found it, I would say, hey, see, here it is. Why would I have to put it somewhere else? Say, look, here it is.
You do it twice. Oh, Hobbs is hungry. I'm sucking your dish, Hobbs.
You want tuna fish? When was the last time
No,
you
no
had
more
a
tuna.
What?
You have the tuna that you tuna.
There's no tuna left?
Huh?
All the tuna is done?
The tuna that you get for them, no more.
Let's see what we can do with that.
There is a tuna there,
Yeah.
but that's your tuna. Well, you have in your Rochelle house.
Yeah. Only like 3 tunas here.
No, just worry. There's turkey. I need to finish that turkey before I go bed anyway.
Oh, there's another tuna here.
Huh?
There's more tuna here.
What kind of tuna? Yours?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what you're just gonna give tuna?
Yeah.
Not with their food?
No, tuna. Yeah, they're food.
Oh. I guess that's what you're going to give to the dog too?
Oh, the dog don't get tuna.
I mean to mix a little bit for their dish.
Give them a little.
My baby. My baby. Is there something wrong with you, hon?
There's a lot of things wrong with me, huh?
No, I mean... Oh my God. I can't even ask you properly.
Well, honey, you asked me if there's something wrong with me. It doesn't fall off.
Guys, dinner time guys. Look, salad guys. Healthy. Healthy galore. And chicken. Yep. Kain tayo. Nag-hit lang ako ng pasta. Kasi just in case, Tommy eat one pasta. Dinner time tayo. The salad is good, Han. Looks good, right? Hi, guys. Balik tayo, guys. Flat iron my hair, guys. I flat iron my hair because I want Tommy to cut sa pinaka-end na niya. Dito yung dito. I think dito. Si Tommy na lang yung ipakat ko kasi mahal din. So, meron tayong libre. Siya raw hindi siya marunong mag-cut ng buhok. Straight lang man yun. Hindi man pa-curvy or pa-slashy or whatever. So, sana maano niya. Dito, guys. Kasi, kita naman, diba? Ito yung pinaka-old na buhok ko. Dito, may color pa siya. And sobrang dry na dry. So, kailangan ko siyang putulin dito. And ang dami ko na talagang gray hair. Oy, I really need to, color.
Ready to cut?
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. Yeah, but you gotta let me know how long you want to cut it off.
Okay, did you see? Did you see it here? Got it here.
That much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no, you have to put all my hair in the back and then you cut it straight. You have to comb it. I will.
Comb it? The comb isn't gonna do it. I can't comb it. Not really gonna do this.
Look.
Just remember, if it doesn't come out right, I don't want to hear you yelling.
You know how to straight. Oh my God.
I'm just telling you.
Okay, just do like this.
I know how to. Knock it off, guys. Misty, you too, please.
You pull it.
I'll cut your hairs next. this for your scrapbook?
Scrapbook.
Yeah, into that.
Thanks, Dan. Yan, guys. You did good. You did good. Straight na straight talaga, guys. Walang ka curvy. Wala na akong dry split ends.
Well.
Nice, thank you. Come here.
The right length.
Yeah, come here, Han. Okay.
So you're trying to cut pieces all different lengths by doing
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I thought you wanted them all the same length.
Doesn't matter. It's the end. I always ponytail it or Allah, I cut it. I cut something. No, I'm not gonna do it. Do like this.
Still look a lot longer on one side than the other.
They're the same, Han. Look at it.
I don't know.
You do like this, or you do like this. You touch the you touch the back, and you bring it here. Hi guys. Tommy, I just widwalk shirt sa loob lang ng fence namin para naman malinis. Ano siya ay naglalagay ng gas or oil ata.
Hold that part like that.
Ha? Hold on.
Twist it. It doesn't have to be up here. You can hold back
It
there.
doesn't matter. I need to hold this heavy thing.
You need to have a camera on, I guess.
Honey, I'm vlogging our life. I'm vlogging my vlogging. Okay? Slowly. Slowly.
The gas ain't doing it. What's this thing?
No, hon. Anyway guys, good night guys. I-end ko na tong vlog kasi ano ng oras 9:07 na and yeah, maaga pa si Tami bukas trabaho. So pagod yan kasi ano pagod. And anyway guys, I think na-explain ko yung bakit na ano si Tami na emergency, di ba? I think na ano ko yan nasabi ko pero yes, hindi pa ngayon update sa nangyari sa asawa ko, hindi pa niya naihi guys. Palagi ko siyang tinatanong kung ano na ba. Pero hindi niya wala siyang na-feel ngayon lately na sakit. Meron daw konti pero mawala lang. And at saka yung dugo, ano na daw yung dugo. Paminsan daw may meron, paminsan wala. Pero hindi talaga yung talagang ihi is dugo. Yung talaga yung kasi talaga yung ihi is dugo. Pero ngayon, may mix siya, nagka-mix. Pero yeah, hindi pa niya na nailabas. Hindi ko alam. Natakot ako para sa kanya kasi parang hindi siya, parang makikita mo talaga sa mukha niya. Kaya palagi ko siyang tinatanong na anong nangyari. Gusto kong malaman anong mga nafe-feel niya kasi makikita ko sa mukha niya na parang may naramdaman siya na iwan ko, gusto kong sabihin niya sa akin pero hindi niya sinasabi yung ganun. Parang sabi lang niya may katawan niya is masak. Iwan ko guys. Natatakot ako guys. Oy, kasi asawa ko yan guys. And alam nyo na guys. But anyway, so i-end ko na tong vlog. Matutulog na kami soon. And nanonood lang si Tami ng something hindi ko alam. Zombie. And yun, and ay, ako, bukas naman ako with walk. Hopefully, yung inano ni Tami na with walker is mag-on. Thank you so much for watching. Si Roxy and Misty natutulog. Yung posa andun sa master bedroom. iwan ko, may tinitignan sa vent, yung sa sahig, may vent kami. May hinihintay sila doon, iwan ko kung ano yung hinihintay nila. But yeah, thank you guys. And yun, nakat ni Tami yung buhok ko. Kahit simple lang, iwan ko. Basta kay makat lang siya kasi sobrang dead na talaga yung sa end, as in split ends to the max. Dead yung buhok. So, yun. And okay naman siya. Hindi karpentero. Hindi naman si Tami, hair cutter. Pero okay naman yung pagkakat niya. Yep, okay naman. So, anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe into this channel, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night.